this picture to them, and I said something about it, and they LOL, sent it back, so that's funny.
Yeah.
I know we had dinner with all of them last night, and they're good friends that live next door to him, he's a pilot too, and they're all pilots. That's how come I became a pilot.
What did they find in Hawaii?
So he's signed off in red seating now. Yeah, you get you there. And about what I'm talked into, if we buy this, they're gonna bring it up here. Chico and drop us off, so we can fly this back. So the seat tracks work well? I don't know.
You know, I haven't examined that carefully myself. Yeah, on this side, they
Got
look
like an
pretty good.
80 on those.
I remember seeing replacement. I couldn't tell you how long ago. A little bit of log, but not much tape on it. They're probably good for quite a few years on this side, anyway.
Is this open?
I think it's locked.
Yeah, it's locked.
I mean, who puts leather in the 172?
I know that's, you know, if I wanted to let anybody else in there.
I'm just doing a quick video and then I'm gonna take a peek on the inside. Then,
Do you have the,
That's okay.
is it open?
Yeah.
You push from this side?
I think it's the other side there.
Oh, the other side. Oh, that's fine. I'm pushing from the wrong side.
I'll show you a little trick. Closing these to make sure they're more closed. Sometimes it, I think it's good to slam them, but the best way is to put pressure here and
I know, and like the club plane stuff that we would fly, you know, I always have to like hold it closed and then lock it.
Yeah. I like not locking them if I feel secure in it and